What's up, YouTube? We're back on the 350Z. Today we're going to be replacing the traction arm with some KPS ones just to tow it out. As you see, the car is a little bit towed in a little bit, both sides. So we're going to be pushing that out. And I already have them in the car. So what you're going to need, a 17 right here. Now, it's pretty tight in there. You have to use one of these right here, 17 millimeter. I use the jack. I put it here and I use the jack to pry it up, as well as I use the jack to do the same thing for this bolt. As you see, took off the bolt. Took me like maybe 10 minutes, to be honest with you. This was pretty stuck on there, but once you have it loose, it comes out super easy. So, which is an awesome thing. Pretty quick video. And then I'm going to do an eyeball alignment, but I recommend, if you're doing camber, sure, don't even bother going to an alignment shop, because they're going to be like, we can't get it to zero. But this is a really simple mod, you know. I'm taking out the bolt right now. You can see how small it is. Put that right there. Traction arm just comes towards you. Yeah, I gotta use two hands, but yeah, give me a minute, guys. So I actually had to take out the camber arm right here. As you see, I had to drop this because the bolt was hitting. I did mark it, as you see, and I also marked the frame, as you see. Lockout nuts. It would save me from not doing an alignment. It would be probably a while till I get the lockout nuts, since I'm doing this. Because then I could just match this, add a little bit more camber, and just do the, you know. I'm expecting to get like this much. See, not that much camber. It is what it is though. So I am going to put the new traction rod, which is right there. See, KSP. I'm gonna measure it the same length as this, the same length, not gonna change anything. The same for the camber arm, not gonna change anything. Go the same length and then bolt it back up, because this is measured to 0, I believe, right here. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and do the other side, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, it's the next day. As you see, already got a tire off, got the bolt loose right here, got this 17 bolt right here loose as well. As well as I got everything else loose except for the camber arm. But so now this is off. I'm gonna take this off and install the new one, do the same thing, just match it up. I'll show you how to do it. So here's the new arm. As you see, here's the old one. So you're gonna line it up as best you can. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this one shortened right here. So I'm gonna have this one here and shorten this, but you're gonna loosen both of these right here, and we are going to slap it on. So you're gonna align it just like this and slap it on the car. As you see, guys, I have it measured. Put a bolt right here, and then you're gonna make sure the grommet or a bolt goes in there. See, perfectly fine, it goes in there. So now we're gonna slap this on the car. Like that, everyone. The traction arm is on, as you see, perfectly fine right there. So I'm gonna lower it, do a quick alignment, and I'm gonna be doing maybe the camber arm adjustment and then doing alignment again. But so far we are good. So I'm gonna do the other side and then lower it and show you how the fitment on both of the things, camber arm and traction arm. So I'm gonna go to the other side. What's up, guys? So this is it. Traction arms installed. Super straightforward. You can see, perfect. Even did the alignment with the traction arm. I maxed it out to like 10 inches, which is kind of a lot. And then I was playing with the toe, so I got it perfect. So now we're gonna be doing this side tomorrow. So expect 2 YouTube videos. Usually I post every Wednesday, so expect a YouTube video for the camber arm. All right, guys, so traction arms are installed on both sides. Pretty happy about that. Did the alignment on this car with my eyes. Alignment was pretty good, but it was pretty easy install to install those little arms. You gotta take out a bunch of stuff, but you know, I got it done. So now car is sitting perfect. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and take care.